Hi, g'day. My name's Sean, the owner of Capital Steam Cleaners. Now, this week's tip of the week involves studios and very small apartments. With these on site, you regularly have a smallish kitchen. Have you ever noticed how much the cooking oils build up on the back of your splashback? They congest there quite significantly. Now, consider those oils that don't quite reach your splashback and float around the rest of your studio looking for a place to settle. There's your biggest filter in the house there, that's your carpet, and the oils impregnate into the pile of your carpet, and they can almost be impossible to dislodge completely once they've done this. These oils can also begin to let off a powerful but displeasing scent. If things do get a bit out of hand, it's not that pleasant to live in a premises like that. So tip of the week, if you are confined to a very small studio, consider hard floor, the dining room, and possibly even in the TV room areas as well, putting your carpets only in the bedrooms. My name's Sean, owner of Capital Steam Cleaners, and that's this week's tip of the week. Thanks a lot. Bye.